guys, welcome back to my channel. I mean, it's been a while that I'm not doing this, which is unboxing, and I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. Inhale, exhale. Yeah, so just too excited to share my new bag because I'm dying to look for a tote bag that I can use for work, or I'm also a mom and sometimes, bringing two small bags for my two toddlers, it's crazy. So I'd rather have everything on my bag, and most of my bags are small, like a medium size or smaller size bag. So I think it's time for me to get more bigger. Also, I would love to travel now. So I mean, now that COVID is COVID free or pre-pandemic, we can all travel. So I think it is worth to invest a nice big tote bag. Tote bag. Why I feel weird to pronounce it if I pronounce it right. But anyway, without further ado, I will go ahead and open this box. I got it from the Bay. So yeah, sure, it's real. It was fast though. I ordered it weekend and I have it already after 3 days. So I mean, now that it's holiday, I was surprised. I got it faster than I thought. Okay, here you go. Oh my god, something wrong. I think they sent me a wrong bag. It's so weird. In the description, it says that it should be 17-inch length and 6-inch distance, and distance is here, and 13 height. But I'm smelling a return here. It was not the one they described. I don't know if that's an error. Look at that. Sorry, I mean, again, I just opened it with you guys, so I don't know what I'm explaining. A tote bag, and now I'm getting a small bag. Oh gosh, I don't need it. I have so many big bags already. I mean, I don't have so many small bags already. Oh no. But what? Yeah, so I know this is the Marc Jacob tote bag. This one, I don't know if it's in small size or mini size. And it has a strap. Yeah. But this is not what I wanted. I want a big one that fit my computer, my laptop. So our unboxing gone wrong. Hold up. Yeah, it's weird. My god. What do you think? Do I need to return or keep this? I'll think about it. But anyway, yeah, so this is it. This is not what I expected. I'm expecting a laptop bag or anything, but I'll see. I'll think of it if I'm gonna return. Comment down below if I will keep or return. But yeah, thank you for the short unboxing gone wrong. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.